This YouTube channel, which remains anonymous, is making around $42,000 each month. The unique thing is that it's all thanks to artificial intelligence, AI. Even the video titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags are created using AI. These videos are funny, relatable, and shareable. Now, let me explain how you can create 1,000 YouTube shorts without spending a dime. We're going to use two AI tools, ChatGPT and a video editor called Canva. First, go to Google and look up ChatGPT. Click on the first link, log in with your account, and you'll find yourself on a screen that looks like the one in the video. I'll provide you with the prompts you need. Copy and paste these prompts into ChatGPT. Let me explain what we're doing here. We're asking it to make 30 groups of information. Each group has a topic, part 1 and part 2, similar to what you saw in the example video. I've provided some examples below, and I've asked it to organize the information so we can easily put it into our next tool. Now, hit send message, and we're going to let it generate. That way, it becomes really, really easy. It's going to give you a table with that breakdown step by step, and I also asked it to adjust with a couple of different fact types. So, we're going to get a really nice variety. This is going to generate us 30 facts to start. You can adjust this number. I wouldn't go beyond 50. Somewhere between 30 and 50 is the sweet spot to get the best quality out of ChatGPT. If we want to reach a total of 1,000 quotes, we can simply duplicate the second prompt, which is generate 50 additional quotes using the same criteria. Avoid repeating the previous ones. This way, we can ensure that all the quotes are distinct. We should follow the same process to achieve 1,000 unique quotes. We have the content ready for our short videos. Next, visit canva.com. Sign up for a free account, and once you're in, you'll see this screen. From the Home tab, search for YouTube Shorts. You'll find various templates to choose from, but if you prefer to start from scratch, select the option for a blank YouTube Shorts template. Now you'll be taken to a new page where the first step is to add a video. On the left side, click on Apps, then scroll down and select Video. You'll find different categories. I picked Sunset and randomly chose a video. Let's click on it and then drag it to the edge of your small editing window. This will make it look just like what you see now. Let's make it shorter because 28 seconds is too long. Click on the cut icon and then drag it down to 10 seconds. Start by clicking on the text item, then click Add a heading and type your chosen topic. Next, select the entire text and change the text color to white. In the Effects section, choose a background color of your choice, and you can also adjust the roundness. Finally, change the position to place it at the top center. Now, it's time to add the main text. Click Add a subheading for the first part of the quote. Adjust its style to make it wider for longer texts. You can add a fade-in animation and change its position. Copy and paste to create the second part. Right-click on Part 1 and select Show Timing. To show Part 1 for the first 5 seconds of the video, set it accordingly. Repeat the same steps for Part 2, but make it visible for the last 5 seconds. You can also include your channel ID at the bottom. To add audio, click Audio and choose your preferred audio, like calm music. Click to add it to the video. To import quotes generated by ChatGPT, go to Apps and choose Bulk Create. Select Enter Data Manually and clear the table data. Copy the data from ChatGPT, for example, the first 10 rows, and paste it into the table. Click Done. Right-click on Part 1 and choose Connect Data, then select Part 1. Repeat this for Part 2, choosing Part 2 this time. Place Part 2 over Part 1 to align them. Click the Continue button to see the list of quotes. Then click Generate Pages. You'll now have 10 videos. You can individually change the background video or audio for each. For the next 10 videos you create, consider selecting different backgrounds and shuffling them when uploading to your channel. To download the videos, click File and select Download. Activate this option to download each page separately. Now it's start downloading. You just have to follow these steps repeatedly to create numerous videos for your AI YouTube channel. This process will help you generate thousands of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikToks with the help of AI and some automation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. By doing so, you'll encourage us to create more videos like this in the future.